Hey everyone, it's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and we have another sneak peek from Diamond Art Club, and it is their 7-year anniversary. They're releasing 50, I repeat, 50 sneak peeks this weekend. Oh my gosh, I know. And I have been diamond painting for over 7 years. I have been with them on this journey for that long. And each time they release a new generation of kits, I have been there and I have seen amazing, fantastic leap and bound improvements. In fact, a couple months ago, I did an older kit and it was still a dream to do. So please get out your kits, enjoy them, make a list of your sneak peeks that you want to purchase, put them on your wish list, budget for them. They are amazing. So we're going to jump into this one. It is Hidden Garden by Auclair Studio. It is a 31.9 inch by 25.6 inch. I like to look at the centimeters. 80.9 centimeters by 65 centimeters. I'm an OG, like I said, over 8 years long. I've been doing this. So this is the Hidden Garden. It is the door. You know, maybe the adult version of the secret garden. You're in the back, you're knocking on the door, you're saying, let me in. Maybe there's some wine back there. Maybe there's some hot cocoa. Who knows? Yes, on the side of the box, it's going to tell you what 92 colors. I didn't even read that until I started the video. Oh my goodness, Diamond Art Club keeps upping their game when they're charting these, and they're not holding back on colors. This includes 3 Aurora Borealis. Those are the special drills, the AB drills, and 3 fairy dust. That's the mica powder covered drills. We're going to look at those in just a minute. So this also, if you see the blue, that means it's square. So we're going to dive in. Let's see what's in here. Do, 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 do. We're pulling out right now. You can't see it, but we pulled out the little insert. We're going to put the beautiful box aside. Let's see what's in here. We got the toolkit. Dun, 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 dun. We got the canvas with the drills inside. People ask, well, why is it called diamonds? And then you turn around and call it drills. I don't know. Maybe it's the drill action because you're putting something down. I don't know. Okay. So inside you get this thank you for your purchase. We're going to open this up, and inside is your hidden garden. This is your trading card or your collector's card. The frame is going to tell you at what level this card is. Their website has a whole page on it. You can scratch off the back, let yourself know if it's bronze, silver, and you get points to trade in for prizes. This is your sticker sheet. It's going to have your start date, what the canvas is, the diamonds. It's going to have your DMC and symbols inside, how many colors it is. These are the symbols and the sticker sheets that you can use to kit up your diamond painting and all of your drills. Absolutely gorgeous. As you can see, there are 92 colors. At the end of all the newer paintings, you're going to have your specials at the end of the sticker sheet. And you can use this for your journal, or you can use it on your kit up. Like I have a Harbor Freight kit up, or if you want to put it in there so you know where the drills, what the kit is. Then you have your toolkit. In your toolkit, you're going to have your stackable tray. The more of the kits you have, the more trays you can stack. Inside, it's got the putty that's clear. I absolutely love it. You've got the reddish pink wax, the 7-placer. You also have your little stopper. You also have your baggies, and then you have your pen, which is already pre-filled. And then the single placer here. As you turn this, it's going to push the putty out. And then you have your 3-placer, like I said. And here. Okay, it was just an extra piece left over there from the back. All right, now let's get down and dirty in here. It's going to be a large kit. I'm going to try not to bump you the way I have my camera set up. But if I do, please, please forgive me. I'll try to edit it out if I'm not talking when I bump you. Okay, it's got this hot knit canvas velvet backing, absolutely wonderful. It's got the serged edges so that if your canvas is naughty, it won't go past that edging mark. It's got the symbols and the DMC colors on the right and the left side. So no matter what part of the canvas you're working on, you're going to have those stickers, but you're also going to have it on the canvas as well. As we're here close up, I'm going to show you, look at those symbols. Look how amazing they are. They're very clear, precise. You wouldn't need a light pad if you didn't want one. Excuse me, I'm frog in my throat. Forgive me for that. This also is the newer canvas that has the perforated 4x4 clear that you can break and not break, but break apart and cut it out of the plastic. It does have the poured glue. So we're going to unwrap this now. See how it goes. I am going to pause for a minute because this frog in my throat is not going to go away. So give me just a second. Okay, thank you for your kindness. Didn't want to cough in your ear. All right, so we're going to unroll this, see how it goes. You can see the window is already up here. These beautiful flowers, the gorgeous side of the building. Maybe this is a sunset with those colors. All right, we're unrolling this. This is the diamonds with the drills. As you can see here, it has the name on it in case the drills are separated from the canvas. Oh, absolutely stunning. I'm going to move this a little bit so you can see the whole picture in just a minute. We're going to go over the canvas a bit. So down here at the bottom, you're going to have your pasting area, the name of the canvas, the size, and who designed it. And then you're going to have the gray lines where you know the perforation is, so you know where to tear. Okay. And then we're going to go out just a little bit, the camera, so you can see the painting a bit easier. All right. So look at the rendering of this painting. It's absolutely gorgeous. The details of the flowers, the window up here on the right, this door does look like it has some 310 for the door, the archway. I love the brick. All of the charting, how it goes from one color into the next, absolutely gorgeous. It has groups of color, but they're not significant blocks. So you've got good shading. And then you've got your fairy dust in different areas to help give it layers of pop, which we're going to go through in just a few minutes. I always look for, especially in the dark areas, I look for, are you going to be able to see where the shadow in the door is? And you are able to see right here, here's the shadow, and then here's the door. Instead of the shadow and the door being the same color, over here in the window, you also have the window and the shadow being two different colors. And the rendering, that's nice to see. Over here, you also have the shadow in the black. There's the check mark, and then there's the black color. They're both two different colors. So you have 890 and 310. So that's going to give you some different depth instead of it just being black. So those are things I look out for, so that it's not just all black as the shading. All right. So here is Crinkle Crinkle. And we dive into the drills. Again, 92 colors, people. All right, so for 310s, we have 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 310s. And then we dive into the 939s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 939s. And then 2 of the 3 371s. So those are going to be your largest darks, the most darks. You got 355. Okay, so here's our first mica powder. Right here, it's the 743. It's got that glitziness to it. This is going to be your arrows and the bricks. And then there's a couple here in the flowers over here, a couple here in the flowers. And I'm very short, so I'll use my scissors up here and the flowers up here. And then there's a couple flowers way up here where you see the shine from my light that the arrows are. All right, you have 350, 311, 3857. I love this color, 3808, 3808. All right, so we're gonna get the next chain of colors. $37.99. 2 of the 336s, 3834, 221. 2 of those 890s I was talking about, 742. Okay, so here we have an AB. See how this is a sequence now instead of the mica powder. So it's got that extra sparkle, 741. So this is the little, I call it the hazmat side. Let's see here. Where are you, hazmat sign? Okay, so this is more of the orange feel. So that's going to be here, and these flowers inside the door. That's also going to be down here, and these flowers right here. And then that's going to be way up here in these flowers. And again, over here in some of these flowers that are dropping down from the ceiling. All right, 938, 3803. We get into some of the pinks, 961, 722, 761, 918, 921. Okay, here we have another, the mica powder, the fairy dust, 892. It's a very pretty pink. And that is a like diagonal arrow down. Okay, so that's a lot of these pink flowers here and here. And then a lot of these pink flowers right over here. 721, 922, and 803. Get to another train. $823, $37.40, $550, $775, $38.18, $38.42, $38.01, $471, $38.70, $38.37, $677, $161, $38.47, and here's another AB. 606. That is going to be the N. So the ends, let's see right here. Okay, so that's the deep dark red right here in the windows. Right here, the deep dark red. And then I think, yes, we got a little bit way up here in the corner. Can't really see it. It's off screen because I don't want to kill my camera. You're on the stand up way up here and way up here. Little red flowers. Needs a little pop up there. All right, so here's some more of the colors right here. Going on to the next train. 832, 6014. We got some beautiful purples. Here's another AB. This is the blue. It's like the little ramp. And that is just scattered randomly right through here. Make sure I'm on camera. And right through here. What are these? Are these? I'm horrible with flowers. I'm not into gardening. Or these aren't irises. What are these tall plants? Tell me down in the comments, because I am not a gardener, but they're beautiful. My mom is going to be like, what? What kind of girl did I raise? She's a gardener. Don't let her see this. She'll be like, who did I raise? Get back here. I need to raise you again. Read this gardening book. Mom, I'm so sorry. So sorry. I failed you. I failed you. I like pretty things. I just can't remember. All right. I love this 352. This like apricot peach color. This purple 333 is beautiful. Okay, 3766. This is another beautiful mica powder, fairy dust color. This one is the bow tie. Ooh, the bow tie is also accenting these flowers. I don't know what they're called. Accenting here. Not a lot, but scattered throughout. What I like is Diamond Art Club gives you a decent amount. So you can save these specials and you can use them on other paintings as well. And so save them up as you do them. Eventually you'll have yourself a nice little stash the more paintings you do. And another thing, if you buy the sticker, like the little sheets, the 6-packs, those are almost all special drills. And so you get a bunch of stuff you can save. So then do these larger paintings and have extra specials. 987, 601, 844, 814, and 562. Look at that. We made it through all 92 colors. So this is absolutely gorgeous. It is called it's called Hidden Garden. It's gorgeous. It's beautiful. It almost reminds me of a stained glass feel, even though it's not stained glass, but it just has this beautiful, relaxing, but gorgeous, bright, vibrant colors. So I hope you guys are ready and that you're going to nab this quickly. Put it on your wish list if you can't. And I hope you just really enjoy celebrating 7 wonderful years of diamond painting with Diamond Art Club. So until next time, be blessed. Take care. I love you all. Bye-bye.